So when I was in elementary school, Eli Penny Elementary to be exact, they had this thing called a Penny Palooza. Penny Palooza was basically just a one big party for everybody who went to Eli Penny and their families. It included magic shows, cotton candy, face paint. There's a lot of stuff, but the most popular activity in it was a cake raffle. Basically, you stand in a line, and at the front of the line there is a 12 numbered dots. 12 people stand with dots and walk around the dots with music playing. Once the music stops, everybody stands on their dot. The organizers roll a dice, and whatever number that rolled on, that person gets a cake. So one year, I was going to Penny Palooza with my family, and I decided to do the cakewalk. I waited in line for like 10 minutes. Then when I got to the front, I did the cakewalk, and I did not get the cake. Not surprising though, because there was only a 1 in 12 chance that I got a cake. But some people had a 100% chance of getting a cake. You know how that is? Well, they went in groups of 12 at a time for a 100% chance of getting a cake at the cakewalk. And then they would split that cake between them. Well, I thought that was really clever, but I didn't have 11 friends just waiting around for a cakewalk. So I got some of my sister's friends and one of my friends for a total of 5 people, and we went on the cakewalk again, and we got a cake. That's amazing. We got a cake, free cake. Anyways, so that's the story of how I got a cake. But what if, here's a theoretical, we had 10 people, but we all had to go and we all had enough time for one more cakewalk. What is the best possible way we could ensure to get a cake, Well, the 2 obvious options would be just go in one group for 10 people, or 2 groups for 5 people and then 5 people. So if we go in 2 groups, that would be a 5 out of 12 chance for to do it. The thing. 5 out of 12. 2 5 out of 12 chances. The chance for failure here, or not getting a cake, is 25 out of 144. That's pretty low, pretty good. But let's try the other option. This is a 10 out of 12 chance or 5 out of 6 chance for getting a cake. How's this gonna work? So 5 out of 6 chance is 10 out of 12. So there's no way to compare 10 out of 12 or to 25 out of 24. Or is there? So the failure for 5 out of 6 is 1 out of 6. So if you multiply 6 by 24, what's that? Is 144, which is the same denominator as 25 out of 144. So if you multiply the numerator and the denominator by 24, you get 24 out of 144. This is a slightly lower chance to fail than if we went into groups. So going in one group is the better option. I'm hoping that theoretical group got a cake. And yeah.